Hello everyone, and welcome back to Talk Boost. My name is Anna, and I'm so happy you are here today. On this channel, we improve spoken English through simple stories, slow listening, and real emotions. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need fast English. You just need courage. So today, I will tell you a beautiful emotional story about a mother and her son named Alex. This story is not about English. It is about fear, love, and belief. So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin. Alex was a 10-year-old boy. He was quiet, soft-spoken, and very shy. He lived in a small house with his mother. His mother's name was Maria. Maria worked very hard. She cleaned houses during the day and washed clothes at night. Her hands were always tired, but her heart was always warm. Every morning, she woke Alex up gently. "Alex," she whispered softly. "Wake up, my son." Alex opened his eyes slowly. "Good morning, Mom," he said in a low voice. At school, Alex was very afraid to speak. When the teacher asked a question, his heart beat fast. Thump, thump, thump. His hands became cold. His mouth became dry. He knew the answer, but he was afraid. What if I'm wrong? What if everyone laughs? So, he stayed silent. Other children laughed, talked loudly, and raised their hands. Alex only looked down. One day, he came home early. He dropped his bag on the floor and sat quietly. Maria looked at him. "Alex," she asked gently, "why are you so quiet today?" Alex tried to smile, but his eyes were full of tears. "I'm scared, Mom," he said slowly. "Scared of what, my child?" Alex took a deep breath. "I'm scared to speak. I'm scared to make mistakes. I feel small." His voice broke. Maria sat beside him. She put her hand on his head. She did not shout. She did not judge. She only listened. "Alex," she said softly, "do you know something?" Alex looked at her. "When I was young," Maria continued, "I was scared too. Silent. I was scared to talk. I was scared people would laugh. But life taught me something." She smiled gently. "Fear does not lead by hiding. Fear leaves by trying." Alex's eyes slowly filled with hope. "But Mom, what if I fail?" Maria held his hands. "Then we try again." She pointed to her heart. "This heart has failed many times, but it never stopped loving." Alex hugged his mother tightly. Tears rolled down his cheeks. That night, Alex stood in front of the mirror. He looked at himself. "My name is Alex," he whispered. His voice shook. But he tried again. "My name is Alex." A little stronger. Day by day. Word by word. Sentence by sentence. Alex started speaking. Slowly. Softly. Bravely. Dear listener, this story is for you. If you are learning English and you feel scared, if your heart beats fast when you speak, if you think, my English is bad, listen carefully. Fear is normal. Mistakes are normal. No one is born confident. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. You don't need big words. You don't need fast English. You only need to start. Speak slowly. Speak daily. Speak kindly to yourself. Remember Alex. He was scared. But he tried. And you can too. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. If you want to improve your English with simple emotional stories, subscribe to Talk Boost. And if you know someone who is afraid to speak English, share this video with them. Remember, your voice matters. Thank you for listening. This is Anna. And I'll see you in the next story.